Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to develop a good writing skill in your child. In my last video, I discussed with you about how you will develop listening skills in your child. So in this video, I am going to explain about the writing skills. So every parent desire is that to improve their child's writing skills, and how we will develop a good writing skill in my child. It is every parent's dream and also every parent's desire, isn't it? Yes. Okay. For that purpose, I wanted to tell you one thing. When we have to start writing to a child, when we will provide a pencil to a child, it is also an important thing. It is also very important thing. Nowadays, parents are becoming very anxious. If the child becomes 3 years old, they hurriedly rush to the school and they are joining directly into the LKG. Or no, our child knows everything. My child knows everything. She knows A to Z letters, capital letters, small letters, and also countries names, that names, this names, and we will join in the UKG or we will join in standard 1, like that. They are asking the school management and also in schools also. But how long it will satisfy? How long it will useful to your child? This topic every parent should think about it. First of all, you think a 3-year-old child fingers are very soft. They are unable to hold a pencil also properly. So if you will provide a pencil to hold them, they are unable to hold the pencil properly. So the skill of writing is also not developed. They are unable to develop a good handwriting skill. So if you want to join your child in a school during the age of 3 years, okay, you can join. But the age group is there. For that purpose, play schools are there. In play, they can play, they will learn the oral, they can able to understand and what is the school. They will acquainted with the teachers and they will acquainted with the environment of the school. In this manner, they will enjoy the schooling, and also they will mingle with the friends. Mingling is very important. If the child doesn't like the environment, they are unable to adjust, they are unable to learn anything. So first of all, we will send them to the play schools. They can join with other students and they can able to understand what is the school, and they will acquainted with the teacher. They will jump, play, learn games and sport and also rhymes and oral drilling. Later, after 3 years, whenever 3.5, exactly 4 years, up to 4 years, don't give a pencil to the child. It's my advice, but then your wish. It's my advice. Only oral drilling is much important. To improve reading skills, to improve speaking skills. At the age of 3, children are going to develop their speaking skills. So at that moment, you can make them to speak. You can make them to oral drilling. Give them oral drilling, speaking skills. You can develop the speaking skill of a child. Then Then give exactly 4 years or 3 years, 7 months or 8 months. You give them the pencil. Only half pencil you give. Don't give the full pencil because they are unable to hold. The weight of the pencil is more to hold them. So give half pencil, sharpened half pencil to them. Then you can start what we have to start. You will and you will give alphabets directly to them. You will give alphabets, writing of alphabets starting with the letter A. They can able to write? No, it's not correct. First of all, we have to give them that. First, we will start the writing of a beginners. How we will start? We have to start with the strokes, lines, slanting lines, straight lines, curved lines. Like that we have to start. Why we will start like this? You know, for 3-year-old child or for 4-year-old child, and we will do that Aksharabhyasam. Why? In that Aksharabhyasam, a plate full of rice, that the Purohit started with the writing of swastik. Why? Swastik means what? It is the lines made of straight lines, slanting lines, like that. So there also it is the significance that how to make the child to write. It is the significance of the swastik. First we have to start with the lines, slanting lines, straight lines. See, now I will show you. First of all, make your child aware about the 4 lines. This is the 4-line book and you will get this one. These are the 4 lines. These 2 lines are made of red color. In between these 2 lines, blue color lines will be there. In that, you should make your child write by using these 3 lines. For the beginners, I am telling. For the beginners, I am telling. See, first these 3 lines. You have to use these 3 lines for the beginners. First of all, make them to write like this, straight line on the line itself, and also like this, and again you will make them to write straight line down to up, like this, down to up, in this way. Again, up to down, up to down, up to down, up to down. Here you put here dots also. You can able to put the dots also here. Then by using these dots, children put the lines here like this. You can able to put the dots here and also here by using these 3 lines. Then they can able to draw the lines properly. And after this, in the middle line stroke, you give the middle line stroke to them. Middle line stroke. Then slanting line. Here, first line, second line, third line, like this. So, down to up. Again, up to down, like this. It's very important. And later, we can able to give them the curved lines, curved lines like this, down, like this, from red line to blue line, again to blue line, again red line, blue line. Like this, you can able to make them the curved lines. Why we are giving like this? Then suddenly, if you will start A means they are unable to write. How they will write? If you will not give these slanting lines, curved lines, straight lines, how they will write here? Like this they will write here. Is it correct process? They have to know these lines. Middle line. Like this, up, down, middle lines. They can able to write B by using up to down, then by using this curved lines. So, if you want to start writing to your child, first of all, give them the practice of straight lines, curved lines, slanting lines, like that. First of all, at least my advice is to at least 1 week you will make them to practice these strokes and lines. This is very important for the beginners. And also, first of all, I want at last I wanted to tell you one thing. Children at the age of 3 or 4 years, they are very smart, they are also very active, they will also enjoy the environment and also the nature. So don't fix them for the writing. First 3 years, let them enjoy, let them play, let them cry, let them giggle. For that, I wanted to tell you at last one thing. Let them be little, because they are only that way for a little while. Let them be little, because they are only that way for a little while. Give them hope, give them praise, give them hope, give them praise, give them love every day. Give them love every day. Let them cry, let them giggle, let them cry, let them giggle, let them sleep in the middle. Let them cry, let them giggle, let them sleep in the middle. Oh, just let them be little. Later, in further classes, studies. So for the 3 years old child, just think their age and give them stress of writing. First of all, let them play, let them enjoy, let them acquainted with the environment, let them acquainted with the school environment, let them acquainted with their friends, the circumstances. Then gradually it can give stress to the further writing. But whenever you will start the writing, first you will give it this type of procedure you will follow. It is just okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for your listening with much patience. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please give like, and also those who do not subscribe this channel up till now, please subscribe and encourage me to make this type of videos more, and they will reach to you very soon. Thank you so much.